Priyanka here and welcome to my channel Utsav and it is December 2nd, so we are going to open the second day for the Crayola Advent Calendar. And if you haven't watched the first day, I will have the link in the description for you guys to check out. Let's see, this is the door for number 2nd and it's a big door. Okay. Voila. Here. Ooh, we got some paint pots. Really happy, and a brush. If you can see, it's not a very skinny brush, but it's a plastic brush, but the hair is not plastic, so that's good. And we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 colors, 6 paint pots, and they are big paint pots. So that's the front side, and it says, welcome friends and family to your room this season. Paint a cheerful holiday door again. So it's asking us to paint the door, but we're going to open the back door. If you guys remember from yesterday, that we opened the back door and we have this envelope here. And I promise I did not peek, as it says no peeking right here, okay? So we're going to remove the activity for day 2 and it says number 2. Okay. Ooh, so cute. This painting is really cute. Okay, so I'm going to get to the table. We are going to paint it with the paint pots. And voila, my second painting for the second day is complete, and I'm so happy how it turned out. The quality of the paints are for kids, so it's not very high quality, but it's Crayola and it's for kids, so it's amazing for kids and it's amazingly beautiful. And the 6 colors are really vibrant, they are not dull colors. So I'm really excited how this turned out. I even wrote that it's my room. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I wrote that this room belongs to Priyanka. So really happy. I was trying to see if I could put my son's name, but then I was like, nah, never mind, I'm not giving it to him. But I did put my name on here, and I hope you guys like this. And if you haven't seen the backdrop back here, I made it exactly not exactly, but similar to the box covering of the Crayola Advent Calendar, and I have tried my best. If you want to see an up close video for that, I will have the link in the description. It was in yesterday's Advent Calendar video. So if you want to look at it, I will leave a link below. And if you had looked at it, leave me a comment below which one is your favorite one. Don't forget the pink one up there. Which is your favorite crayon? Let me know in the comments below. I am eager to read all your beautiful comments. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I am hoping that we reach 1,000 subscribers by December 25th, so I can do a giveaway for January 1st or for the new year 2019. So I am really excited, and I'm hoping that I reach the 1,000 subscriber mark by December 25th. I cannot do it without you all supporting me in that. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.